Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be heading to a department store, to a MAC counter to get my makeup done. I know a lot of people who are new to makeup often go to makeup counters to get their makeup done. I've heard good experiences and bad experiences. So today I'm going to try it out myself. Oh, and don't mind my wrist. I hurt it somehow. I sort of strained it, hence the wristband. But I'm okay. Anyways, let's go. When I arrived at the MAC store, I had Brinley Parigi do my makeover. Brinley and I actually went to the same makeup school about 6 years ago, and now she's the assistant manager at MAC. So I fully trust her with my face, and I left it completely up to her to decide on a look for me. Brinley started off by prepping my face with Fix Plus spray to help hydrate my skin. Then she applied a moisture infusion serum mixed with strobe cream all over my face. This helps to moisturize my skin and add a healthy glow to my complexion. My skin felt pretty soft and smooth afterwards. Next, she started off with my eyes and applied 2 bases. Now this is different because I normally just apply one. She applied the 24-hour Extend Eye Base and the Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. One base helps to smooth out the texture on my eyelid, and the other one helps to even out the colour. For eyeshadows, Brinley used the Power Hungry palette, and she applied the light brown colour first all over my crease. Next, she applied a darker brown on the outer corner and blended out the edges. To highlight my eyes, Brinley used a shimmering gold on the inner and center part of my lid. Then she buffed out the edges of the eyeshadows. She repeated this with my other eye. Next, Brinley moved on to eyeliner. Using the MAC brushstroke liner, she created a feline cat eye. A really good tip she showed me was to use Fast Response Eye Cream to wipe away any mistakes. It's great to use because you can reapply eyeshadow to that area without it looking patchy. Moving on to brows, Brinley used Lingering to fill in my brows. She drew in small strokes and worked with my natural brow shape. To clean up the edges, she used a bit of concealer. And then, here comes the interesting part. She applied the MAC False Lash Maximizer, which is actually a lash primer, but she used it as a brow mascara. It's perfect for holding your brow hairs into place, whilst giving the hairs a little bit more texture, so it's a really good product to use if you want thicker looking brows. After that, she moved on to my base. She used the WATERWEIGHT foundation in NC25 and buffed it into my skin with a brush. I actually have this foundation at home and it's really lightweight on your skin. For concealer, Brinley used the WATERWEIGHT concealer in NW20. With this concealer, it works best when you blend it out with a sponge, so you can just apply it on with a brush first, and then grab a wet sponge and just tap it in lightly to blend it into your skin. To set my base, Brinley used the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Medium Plus. Then she bronzed up my skin using the WATERWEIGHT powder in Medium Deep. Next, for highlight, Brinley used the new Hyper Real Glow palette. A really cool trick Brinley used to amplify the highlight was to spray Fix Plus on my face first, and then apply the highlight powder on top. She used it to accentuate the high points of my face, and also added some in the inner corner of my eyes. Then for cheeks, she applied the Extra Dimension blush in Hush Tone. Once that was done, she finished off my eye makeup by smoking out my lower lashes. For mascara, she used the new MAC Bold and Bad mascara. And of course, no glam is complete without lashes. Brinley used the number 43 lashes and applied it with Duo Glue. My lips were then prepped and lined with Fire Roasted lip liner. And the matching Fire Roasted Lip Tensity lipstick was applied on top. Then comes the final spritz of Fix Plus to help seal my makeup in. Ta-da! This is the final glam makeover. A soft smoky eye with a fierce winged liner and a classic red lip. So that is it to this makeover. If you guys want to see me go get makeovers at different makeup counters, please let me know below. That's it for now. I will speak to you guys next time. Bye!